This is the bus stop. Where... Wow, have you seen the size of the carpet? It was way too long. I just want to do some trekking and nobody could speak English in this place. Trekking on the mountain and you could see the sign. I could not even understand it. Two guys from Switzerland and from Malaysia. These guys are calling me as their old daddy. They're all babies and I'm the oldest in the group. So you really need a four-wheel drive to come to this road, and taxi doesn't want us to bring us in here. And as you could see, the road, an old Russian car. We still have about 15 kilometers more to go. Drinking water. So this is how you pump your water for drinking water. This water came from the glaciers. We are now in this mountain, and it was a blessing that this Malaysian guy, a medical student in Moscow, how to speak Russian and read Russian words. So it was a blessing that we have somebody else who could understand and speak Russian. Wow, it really looks like the Alps in Switzerland. So beautiful. Okay. Sign in here, but you cannot understand anything at all.
Impressive, huh?